Hey everybody, welcome back to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani Das, your host and teacher. And some of you have been asking, what are those metal things that you see on some djembes, and why are they on some and not others, and what are they called, and why are they there? Well, I'm going to give you the answer right now. These are called kasinkasing, and they are metal ears that accentuate they're not literal ears because the djembes are not listening to us. They're just decorative, and they provide a vibration, like an extra sound. So they add to the richness of the sound. And not every player uses them. Some players don't, some players do. They're just an add-on. It's like an alternative thing that you can get and add to your drum. They do make it look kind of cool. These are made by a friend's father in North Carolina here in the US. So let me show you what they are like when you get them and how to install them. Very easy. So you get your kasinkasing. These are brass, but you can get, tin, aluminum, different kinds of metals are very common. And you'll notice that these have dimpling, some do, some don't. Most of them do have these rings all the way around, and that's, of course, what you're hearing. Most of the sound is made by the metal rings. You can play them by themselves too. So what you're going to do to install them, and like I said, this is very simple. Just find the rope, and this is for rope djembes, not for mechanical djembes. If you have a mechanically tuned djembe with another tuning system like conga drum tuning, you'll have to find another solution. So this is just for the rope djembes. So find, from your perspective, find 12 o'clock on your djembe, wherever that is from your playing position. Or definitely opposite the strap if you have a strap on your drum. And you're going to just slide it right in between the rope and against the shell. Just shove it in there. Done. How long did that take to install? About 0.5 seconds. And then from there, I'm going to give you a ballpark. This is really up to you. I would say, for me, I want to go at about 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, just like you're driving, your hand position for driving a car, right? 10 and 2. And this is what that would look like. Here it is on the lower camera. All right, so it's not, they're not at 90-degree angles to each other. It's not 3, 6, and midnight, although those are perfectly fine times. So 10, 12, and 2 roughly, but whatever you want to do, it's your thing. It's up to you. And then you can use them however you want. They're going to accentuate the sound of the drum. That's it. Kasinkasing. Add them to your drum if you want. You can also add them to other instruments like doon doon. Sometimes these are on other instruments like the balon, which is a bass string instrument, or the kora. Sometimes. But you can add them to whatever you want. I don't know, walk around with them sticking out of your pockets and see how your day goes. All right, this is World Drum Club. I'm Kalani. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you like it. I'll see you all in a future lesson.